Google has shifted its major hardware event to August, and it's proving to be a smart move. By launching earlier, Google gets a head start on competitors and appeals to users considering a switch from Apple without the pressure of being the final big release of the year. Package Pixel 10 lineup. What's coming in 2025? The Pixel 10 family includes device description: Pixel 10 base model with solid specs. Pixel 10 Pro premium features and performance. Pixel 10 Pro XL larger display and battery. Pixel 10 Pro foldable innovation returns. Joining the phones are Pixel Watch 4 41mm and 45mm sizes. Pixel Buds 2a, a fresh addition to the A-series audio lineup. Artist palette design, familiar yet refined. Google is sticking with the Pixel 9 design language for another year, a move that may divide fans. While the overall look remains unchanged, there are subtle tweaks. Slight changes in chassis dimensions, accessory compatibility may be affected. New camera lens placement. Adjusted 5G antennae for better connectivity. The design is mostly the same, just a bit thicker, and yes, it still looks sleek. Rainbow color options, vibrant versus muted. Google continues its trend of offering playful colors for the base model and more subdued tones for the Pro variants. Pixel 10 colors: Obsidian black, Indigo blue, Frost muted silver, Limoncello green. Pixel 10 Pro/XL colors: Obsidian, Porcelain white, Jade green, Moonstone gray blue. Pixel 10 Pro Fold colors: Moonstone, Jade. Notably, the Fold skips traditional black and white this year. Gear specifications: Tensor G5 and more. Google's new Tensor G5 chip, fabricated by TSMC, promises better performance and efficiency, though it may still lag behind Snapdragon's top-tier chips. Bar chart: key specs breakdown. Model display storage options: RAM battery. Pixel 10 6.3-inch FHD Plus / 120 Hz / 2000 nits 128 GB / 256 GB UFS 4.0 12 GB 4970 mAh. Pixel 10 Pro 6.3-inch QHD Plus / 120 Hz LTPO 256 GB / 512 GB / 1 TB 16 GB 4870 mAh. Pixel 10 Pro XL 6.8-inch QHD Plus / 120 Hz LTPO 256 GB / 512 GB / 1 TB 16 GB 5200 mAh. Pixel 10 Pro Fold Outer 6.4-inch / inner 80 QHD Plus 256 GB / 512 GB / 1 TB 16 GB 5015 mAh. Highlights: UFS 4.0 storage for faster app and file loading. Improved brightness and PWM support. Charging speeds: up to 39W wired Pro XL, 29W Pixel 10/Pro, 23W rumored for Fold.